Julia, when I first saw you at the party at Sophia's house, I instantly knew you were the one. What I didn't know is that you would also want to end up spending the rest of your life with her. I love your ability to light up a room with your jokes and just plain kindness. You make me feel safe and comfortable and accept me for who I am. I promise to love you through sick times and health, through good and bad. I can't wait to go through life's adventures with you by my side. I promise to be yours and love you until the end of time.
Dear Daniel, our relationship is a story of two kids who fell in love, but I later learned that it was actually perfect timing. You came into my life at the perfect time. Daniel, my love for you will never fail, and I need you to know that. And my love for you will continue even after we've left this earthly world.
I, Daniel, take you, Julia, to be my wife.
I, Julia, take you, Daniel, to be my husband.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish always.
To love and to cherish always.
Today, we honor and celebrate the transition from two separate lives into one life united by love. According to the laws of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, it is with great honor I now pronounce you husband and wife. Daniel, please kiss your bride.
We now have a son, and we welcome him into our family. Dan loves our daughter. When I toasted this couple at their engagement party, I called Dan a lucky, intelligent gentleman with a capital G. That was true then, and it's true now. Julia and Dan make a beautiful couple.
They say that siblings are some of the most important people that you'll have in your life because statistically you will know them for the longest amount of time. Longer than your parents, your friends, your spouse, and your future kids. I'm so excited to have the honor of spending the decades to come watching you grow old with Dan. And to Dan, I want to say that I hope you enjoy growing old with Julia as much as I enjoyed growing up with her.
Julia, like I said, same, 14 years across the board. And another person who I can't think of anything negative to say. A genuine, caring person who at any point in my life, even when we don't get to speak as much now that I'm not here in Massachusetts, I know would drop anything. And anybody who knows her knows the same. She would drop anything for me.